Hello, welcome back to MFWoodShop. Today I'm going to finish the workbench area. I got a few things to do today, so we're going to get right to it. But before I get started, I'd like to thank Tiger Ply for sponsoring these videos. They donated all the plywood for this build, and I really couldn't have done it without them. There's very low voids, and the people that I deal with at Tiger Ply is top notch. I can't ask for a better partner. Where I left you off on last video is I was putting the drawer fronts on these drawers, and then off camera I put the drawer fronts on those drawers in the exact same way. Also off camera I rebuilt the air conditioning unit and made it more of a custom fit in, and I framed it all out, sealed it all up, put insulation in and everything. Cleaned out the air conditioning unit and put a new filter in it, and it's all ready for this year. Today I want to build some more shelving and some slide out trays for the locker cabinet, and do some stuff with the drawers over here and get my tools back into drawers. Let me know in the description below. I've been thinking about taking down the pegboard up here and putting up more of a sheet of plywood and doing a tool wall situation. So let me know in the description below if that's something that you'll be interested in seeing, and if you have a tool wall, if you like it as well. Stay tuned to the end to see the final wrap up, because there is a surprise. Getting too old for that. So the locker cabinet, I was kind of apprehensive about it, but I am so glad it's in and I'm did this. I've already got it loaded up. I have a little room, maybe one more shelf in here I can put in. Everything adhesive is right here, and it has that rubber mat down there, so if any of the glue falls out or it won't get on the drawer, it'll get on that rubber mat, which don't stick. Couple organized boxes. The paint is going to be really nice, especially being able to see down. I can see all the collars and everything that I got. Same thing with these. And then I got some gallon paints down below. Some knick-knack stuffs here, and some things won't get to too often at the very top. But I am so happy with the way that locker cabinet came out. Now in these drawers, this is nothing new to me. I've had these for a while. I just rearranged it a little bit. I put all my screws at the tops, or all my fasteners at the top. I put my sockets in the second drawer. I got some more hardware and miscellaneous junk in there. And then down at the bottom, it's pretty empty because I got rid of all the stuff that I just never used. And so I got pretty much an empty drawer. And all that, like I said, inset drawers. This section here is for my sleds. So right now the drawers are just kind of, the stuff is just kind of thrown in there because I haven't came up with a good way to organize the screwdrivers yet. But I will. Same thing with the wrenches. They're all kind of just thrown in there. And then basically knives, putty knives, blades, stuff like that. My sharpening stuff and my planes. And then both of the big drawers are empty. I don't have anything to put them in them right now. Over here, I got all my pliers, and I'm going to come up with a better way to organize them. Some bigger wrenches, adjustable wrenches, electronic multimeters and stuff like that. And then just kind of some miscellaneous tools that you rarely go to. And then again, this one's empty. So I also got the slow speed bench grinder set up. It's ready to go. And I actually cut that bar about 3 inches so it don't go into the wall. That's what I had a problem with last time. It would stick out about 4 or 5 inches out, and I would hit my hip on it all the time. So I actually just cut that bar about 3 inches, and it goes right to the wall, but don't hit it. Then over here, I redid the air conditioning, made that all built in. I also cleaned the air conditioner and put a new filter in it, so it's ready to go. And I added an outlet over here, and that outlet also has USB ports on it as well. One more thing to show you, and this is just for fun. Yes, I put LEDs on the workbench. No real reason, just for fun, and I think it looks pretty cool. No real reason to do it, just for fun. So I really hope you enjoyed this process. Thank you for sticking around. And if you haven't seen the other 2 videos preceding this video, I'll put a link in the description below for that. And definitely thank you, Tiger Ply, for sponsoring these videos and donating the plywood like you did. I'll put a link in the description for Tiger Ply as well. So that's all I got for you this week. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you next time. LEDs look pretty cool.